these people, if you ask them, will you go to Europe? They would say, thank you very much, I'm going nowhere. Here, I can feed my family, I can work, I'm safe. And I believe there is more African country. I'm proud to be African, but I'm very ashamed of our politicians from Africa. We are rich. We have everything. You know, about 4 days ago, I wanted to go on Facebook Live and to address all presidents of Africans directly from Facebook Live and say to them, what are you doing? We have everything that it takes to feed all the world.